Hello, welcome to you all to this session. Today we will discuss about the topic anti-aliasing, that is used in case of computer graphics. Viewers, to have an idea about anti-aliasing, you must have an idea about aliasing first. So I start with the term aliasing. In computer graphics, the quality of a text or graphic image solely depends on the resolution of the screen, that is low resolution or high resolution, where resolution refers the maximum number of vertical and horizontal pixels that can be displayed at a time on the monitor. This means that the smoothness of the edges is limited by the resolution of the screen, resulting the edges of the image to be little jagged. This jaggedness is called aliasing. Here jaggedness is caused due to various kinds of anomalies in computer graphics outputs or display images and responsible for resulting shape edges, that is composed of small squares or steps instead of a smoothly contoured lines. Now, to have an idea about the aliasing, you can go through the pictorial form of a circle which is being shown on your monitor, and in that you can observe that the circle is composed of small dots, and that dots are not taking the very smooth and the curved shape. They are constituted by taking the help of jagged lines. Now we will discuss about the methods to minimize the jagged effect. As we know, there are two commonly used methods to minimize the jagged line effect. Number one, increasing the resolution of the monitor, and number two, making the pixels small enough that the human eye cannot distinguish them individually. But the above two methods are unable to provide a feasible solution because images are displayed based on their resolutions. Here comes the term anti-aliasing. After having an idea about the term aliasing, we can say the pictures or images are not appearing in its normal form, which is more smoothly appearing to our views. Then we will discuss about the term anti-aliasing. Anti-aliasing is also called oversampling. It is the most sophisticated text processing and design software technique used in computer graphics, which reduces the visual effect of a digital image that occur when high resolution images are presented in lower resolution devices. It removes jagged edges by adding subtle color changes around the lines, by tricking the human eye into thinking that the lines are not jagged. Here the slight change in color around the edges of an image help the line bend around curves, giving the impression that the line is true. These color changes are made on a very small scale that the human eye cannot detect under normal circumstances. This technique is used in digital photography and digital. Anti-aliasing is often implemented by graphics cards and computer games. Depending on the application, different methods of anti-aliasing is applied. In first method, image editing program can be used to blur the edges or shade along the lines to make the dark to light transition less distinct. Whereas in case of second method, we use the foreground and background color combination by exploiting the property of the human eye that expect the edges of object to display some tonal gradation due to light and shadow. You can watch the visual effect of a circle after using the anti-aliasing technique. Thank you for your patience hearing. Hope you enjoyed. Suggest the topic of interest if you want to me explain in future as per your interest.